Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So I'm looking at a 2022 Grand Design Momentum, and Byron's over here, and he said, "Hey boss, I want to show you the bushings are starting to go bad on the springs." So go ahead and show me. Yeah, so you can, as you can see in the movement inside there, you can really see it. So, but they're not that bad. I mean, we were going to recommend that the owner replace the bushings in the system, but apparently he's going to come back at some point and do a Roadmaster kit. So what we're going to do is just advise him, let him know that they're going bad, that he needs to do them. But if it's something he's going to plan on doing here, you know, unless he's going to go on a lot of long distance trips, but maybe even just lubing them will help assist it. But as you can see, you know, they've been being lubed, but we didn't check this side, or I haven't checked this side with Byron yet. But I didn't see any frame cracks, which is good. And the brake shoes, he cleaned them already with brake clean and all that. But cleaned them, he's got to scuff them up. He checked all the connections on them so that he didn't see nothing wrong. What was happening too, so a lot of times when the seals go bad, and you can see here, I'll zoom in on this one, you see how it's just now starting to throw the grease. So I'll give you a better example. This one too, it was just starting to come past, you know, just barely. So they were just, you know, just seeping. So when that grease gets on the shoe, on the actual magnet, and the magnet cleans the surface of the drum, it does make it, I want you to think of it as like ice skating. So it's still going to break and stop, but not as well. But if it gets real thick and it gets coated and it gets built up all over the magnet, or it gets built up on the actual brake shoe itself, then that's of course going to prevent it from stopping, or stopping as well as it should. And then you can see the difference here. This is the tub that he uses to collect the springs on. There's the red grease. We use the stuff that's called Thermoplex. It's a lot better product that we put in there in place, and we will go from there. So, all right, well, just giving you a quick little update on this one. It's in here in the shop. The owner was asking about it when he dropped it off. It is a model number 349M, and so it's a pretty good size unit. He said to me, "Hey Dustin, what do you think of my springs?" Well, when the weight was down on the unit, I could see that the springs were fanned out a little bit, you know, vertically this way instead of fanned out like that. And I said, well, you know, probably the bushings are probably going bad, and the springs, you might want to consider replacing the springs, either upgrade them to the next weight if it's capable. Sometimes it's not, or do like the Roadmaster kit. So we'll recommend that to him, and at some point see if he wants to come back and have that done. Again, if you haven't checked out our other videos on that Roadmaster suspension kit, the springs are lifetime guaranteed. The shocks, it comes with shocks, you know, those are lifetime guaranteed. The warranty is not transferable. So people were asking online, you know, hey, is the warranty transferable? And it's not. You know, basically they want you to keep it for you. But it does still increase the value. It doesn't really matter for the next person, but you know, it's just like if you purchase like a solar panel or lithium batteries or any of that kind of stuff, none of that stuff's going to be transferable to the next person. So, you know, it's real rare if they do. And anybody that owns a business out there, you think that'd be kind of foolish to, you know, they want you to buy it from them once, and they want it to be guaranteed with them for life if they're going to do that, not for, you know, the next 10 people that get it. So, all right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this. This is just a quick little what's going on in the shop. And if you haven't joined our Grand Design maintenance and repair in the RV shop with Dustin, I recommend that you do so. You get to see kind of the background and things that are going on, as well as other units too. So we kind of post and share a little bit of everything. This one over here is in here for some frame stuff. I said this one's in here for, you know, the suspension. So I'm not sure what else we're doing on it, but I will check with the guys later. So you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Dustin, your RV specialist.